All right, guys, so we just wrapped up another 2026 2500 HD AT4. One with the 6.5-inch BDS lift. It's got the Fox 2.0 shocks. One with a 26 by 12 TIS 566B, the all black finish. These are the TIS Hercules TT1 and a 371350. As far as clearancing goes, you have to do the Kelderman caps, trim some of your inner liner through here, move the bumper forward 3/4 of an inch. Have to trim the inner liner through here, so if I can get that to pick up, and then the lower side of the bumper through here, and the valence as well to follow that. Still a tight clearance setup. It does clear under normal driving. If you're going to be using it off-road or something like that, you may get some occasional rub. Really good stance on this truck. Truck sets perfectly level. Now this kit, when compared to say like the BDS 5, does have steeper suspension angles on it, so it does ride a little bit stiffer. We kept the factory upper control arm. Like a lot of guys do want to go ahead and change that to the BDS upper control arm when going to the 6.5 or even the 5. We did do the Cognito Fox steering stabilizer. I can get that in there. If you watch many of our videos, you'll see we use that on a lot of them. I think that's a really good upgrade for these trucks. Really good looking truck. Haven't used this wheel before. I think it looks pretty nice. It's a different look. The concave look in the aftermarket wheels is getting really popular, especially on the wider wheels. This one's a -44 offset. As you see, we've got the BDS non-torsion drop brackets. Fox 2.0 shocks. I can get it all in view from this angle. Again, Fox 2.0s on the rear. You've got your 5.5-inch block with the factory bolt stop made onto it. And your brake line relocation brackets. All right, guys, that's going to be about it on this one. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.